Australia Towbars and Performance on the Sunshine Coast. Today we've had a great pleasure on working on a brand new Volkswagen T-Roc in a stunning red color, and we we've installed an invisible and detachable Westfalia towbar, which is invisible when removed and it doesn't require bumper cuts. The towbar is made in Germany. It comes with the lifetime warranty. The wiring that we fitted is an original Volkswagen OEM wiring with a tow module, which fully integrates with the vehicle. Allow me to present how it works. The acoustic itself is a quick release detachable. All we have to do is take the lever off and the tow bar comes off. What we've got as well, we've got a swivel electrics that swivel inside the bumper and swivel out when you're using the tow bar. Tow bar comes with the little pin for your chain link. If you're not using the tow bar, you can swivel the electrics back in, and if you want to put the tow bar back onto the vehicle for whatever purpose, that's all you have to do. If you need a tow bar for your vehicle, being it European style or locally produced one, feel free to contact our friendly team at Australia Towbars and Performance. Thank you for watching and have a great day.